In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Discord muffling over audio. I'll show you two different ways. If the first one doesn't work for whatever reason, the second way combined with the first one should. So what we need to do is go to the sound or volume icon in the bottom right hand corner. If you right click on that, you can then go to sound settings. And once you're here, you need to scroll down and then go to more sound settings. Once you've done that, it will open up this window and you'll go to the playback tab and then find your speakers or your headphones that should be playing back the audio. You can then right click on them and go to properties, then click on advanced and then uncheck allow applications to take exclusive control of this device. Click apply, then click OK. Now if that doesn't fix your issue, open up Discord, then go to the user settings in Discord, then scroll down and go to voice and video. Here you'll be able to see your current settings, but if you scroll down all the way to the bottom, you can reset all voice and video settings. So click on that and click OK. Once you've done that, it will refresh your settings. From here, you may have to go to the settings icon again. Then if you scroll down and go back to voice and video, you can then change your output device again. Once you've done that, you should then have fixed the muffled audio problem in Discord.